Good day, everyone. Today on Mechanic Connect, we are going to take a look at this device. It's a magical device being used by technicians to do a lot of magic. Okay? So today we are looking at it, how it works, and how you can use it to carry out various tests on an electrical circuit. My name is Akin Ajala, and I'm going to take you today on this. So this device is called multimeter. Multimeter. As the name implies, it means a meter that is more than one meter. It's being used to measure more than one parameter in the circuit, and that is why it's called multimeter. The various parameters we can measure in the circuit are current, which is ampere, voltage or EMF, which is in volts, then resistance, which is in ohms, and then the capacitance, inductance, and one important parameter also that we do measure or check is continuity. So I said one current, 2 resistance. Current is in ampere, resistance in ohms. 3 is a voltage or EMF, which is in volts. Then we have the continuity. You can also measure the continuity and the capacitance. Okay, for continuity. Then 5 capacitance. Then all inductance. So of a capacitor. So these are what we can use this magical equipment to measure. So how do we do it? How do we go about it? There are so many things there. How do we start? So let's look at it. Take a look at it. You see, this is a green portion. This is another white portion. This is a yellow portion. It's a green portion. There's a white portion. And there's another yellow portion. So you can look at this. Look at it. You see the sign here. This sign is ohms. Ohms. You can see the sign ohm. Ohm. This sign. Ohm. Okay. Then look at this place. You see the sign voltage, and behind this voltage there is 2 mark here. This is telling you this is a DC voltage. DC voltage, direct voltage. Then we have here this A, which is ampere, and you see the sign here, ampere. Then we have here this another ampere, and you see the sign here. This is an alternate current. This is a direct current. So now we have here also voltage, and this type of voltage, you see the sign here, this is an alternate voltage. So for technicians as a mechanic, most of the time we don't deal with alternate voltage. We don't deal with alternate current. What we deal with is
direct voltage, and then direct current, and then ohms. Then the other one that I mentioned there is continuity. Continuity. So in my next video, you will see how to connect all of this and to measure. Thank you and God bless.